Hi, we're going over MindStarter 2. The number one is one of the math rules you just have to memorize. How do you add fractions? Numerator plus numerator, denominator stays the same. The denominator on both fractions has to be the same before you can add, and then you carry it right across to your sum. So the first one we really have to work is number 2. The problem for today, 2/5 plus 1/5, following the rule, numerator plus numerator, 2 plus 1 is 3, denominator stays the same. The answer to number 2 is 3/5. Number 3 is another math rule we just have to memorize. To multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, you have to multiply the 1-digit number by the digit in the 1's place value, then multiply it by the digit in the 10's place value. That is true. That is not going to change. Number 4 is one we had to work with that. $47 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry the 2, put the 1 down here. 3 times 4 is 12. 13, 14. 141. Number 5 is a matching, same as yesterday. Obtuse is going to be something greater than 90. Acute is something smaller than 90. And right is exactly 90 degrees. Number 6, it shows you an angle, and you have to determine whether that angle is acute, obtuse, or right. The angle looks something like this. Okay, it's not a cute little one. It's not right up and down. It's obtuse. It's like it's obese. It's big. It's open. It's over 90 degrees. So that one was obtuse. Number 7, we use does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers to divide, and what does the mean? What does mean? Does it mean divide, divisor, dividend, or derivative? D means divide. Not going to change. Then we're going to take 203 and divide it by 7. Seven cannot go into 2. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? So we're going to divide 20 by 7. 3 times 7 is 21, so that's too big, so we got to go 2. 2 times 7 is, go to multiply, 14. Subtract. We check. 6 is less than 7. We bring down. 63. Well, let's try 8. 8 times 7 is 56. Subtract. Check. Well, it's not less than 7. That means 8 is wrong. So we're going to try the next one up. 7. All right, next one up. 9 times 7, 63. Subtract. 0. It is less than 7. Nothing left to bring down. 29 is your answer. Number 9, if the sum of all the digits can be divided by 3, then 3 is a factor. Okay, that is the exact wording off the internet. If the sum of, so when you add them all together, is divided by 3, then 3 is a factor. That is true. So for 12, if I add 1 and 2 together, I get 3. So that means 3 is a factor. 1's always a factor. Now we know 3. 1 times 12 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. All right, that gives us our rainbows. All right, so to enter it, it would look like this. because on this one it says enter it in from biggest to or smallest to biggest. So 1, 3, 4, 12. No spaces, just commas. All right, so feel free to review what you missed, check how I did it, see how you think you're feeling, and then ask a question if you need any more further help. Thank you.